Okay, it's just gone 6 o'clock in the morning, and the weather outside is truly beautiful. The sun is on the horizon. The morning is just starting, and it's just so awesome. Truly phenomenal. Thoroughly enjoying this trip. It's just gorgeous. Peace, tranquility, relaxation. Absolutely love it. Just look at that. Just look at that. Daybreak. Just gorgeous. This is day 2 of my trip, and we are at sea. I'll have a look at the itinerary and see what's on today. They've got heaps of different things. Yesterday I played a game of bingo. Yeah, and we listened to some fantastic music, and we watched a few beautiful shows, some wonderful shows. They were just awesome. The fun is just all great. Yeah, it never stops. Beautiful.